Hello sweethearts. So by the title of the video you have already got to know that what actually we are trying to do today. We will do a half and half thing today. On one half of my face I will apply the foundation with beauty sponge, and on the other half I will apply the foundation with a brush. We will try to figure out that which one performs well. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So I haven't used any concealer over here, so that I want to make sure that you can get the coverage of the foundation exactly. Like I have used the foundation with this beauty sponge on this side and with this stippling brush on this side, so you can clearly see through the pigmentations of my cheek area on the sponge side, but on my this side, like brush side, there is less pigmentation is visible. It gives a medium to full coverage with brush, but for beauty sponge it gives a sheer to medium coverage, which you can easily wear for office or any light day when you don't want that heavy makeup. But for a very eventful day or where you want a very heavy makeup, you should or you can use brush for blending your foundations. So here I'm done with the application, so you guys can decide now that which one you will prefer. By the way, I have done this smoky eyes with only 2 colors. The tutorial is already up in my channel, so if you want to watch the tutorial, then click on the I button. So if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do it. Click on the bell icon so that every time I come up with a new video, you guys get notified. So till then, bye bye.